Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to change your birthday on Cashapp. Now, some people have difficulties changing the birthday and they don't know how to do it. Well, in this video, I will show you how to do just that. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe down below and let's get started. So, as you can see, all you have to do is open the Cashapp on your device, log in into your account. The home screen will log in automatically after you log into the system. Now to edit your profile, tap the profile icon which is in the top right corner. And then what you need to do is this will take you to your profile page. On the profile page, select the personal tab. Once you're in the personal tab, you can access the edit options. So every time you want to go and every time you want to change something on your personal behalf, you can go on your personal tab. Now select the edit option and edit your personal information, including your birth date, and then all you have to do is just tap save option to save your changes. That's basically how you can update your birthday on Cashapp and how you can change your birthday on Cashapp. So if you have any questions or maybe comments around this, definitely comment down below and we'll see you in the next upcoming video tutorial. Thank you guys for watching.